The end goal of this entire back extension journey is to be able to do 30 bodyweight reps, fully decompressed at the bottom. As I lower down, my elbows reach to the ground, I'm inverted. I'm getting the decompression of hanging from a bar in an inversion table. But the difference is as I initiate back up from this relaxed, decompressed position to here, I'm recompressing the spine with those little muscles. Then engage with the tiny muscles, put the spine back together piece by piece. That's why the guy who could deadlift 405 still hurt his back picking up a pencil, because he didn't have from here to here. He just knew he could do really heavy flat back from here to here. That's not piece by piece spine insurance. You need to see what can I go through relaxed, unrelaxed, decompressed, recompressed. That's a whole nother ball game.